Class 10 students. Love you all.
People are not just creatures. You can be compared with sculptors. You hammer us our rough edges to become a smooth and full-fledged person. See, for the past 3 years in here, since I was studying in class 8, I have been participating in hundreds of different programs. And this opportunity given to me by the school has led to me in going to various parts of the state. I have traveled to various parts all over Assam in representing our school. And in these programs, I have met various kinds of merit students from all over the states, and also a lot of different people who are intellectuals. Through these interactions, I have learned a lot of things that has perhaps shaped me into who I am today. And to this, I will always be grateful to my school for providing this opportunity.
Giving a small gift as a token of love from the school.
Have been many great and wonderful memories, very good friends as well. But today, as we get carried into it, let us just carry all the lessons we have learned and all the memories we have made with us.
For taking final edu from the school formally, and you have got some inspiration, motivational speech from the guests and from our teachers, and I think that you will carry these words in your heart, and then remember your coming to schools for taking formal farewell will serve purpose. Okay? Yes. My dear students of class 10, see, your memories are always with us and will be with us. Mailina Sarkar, Bhumika Boro, Vikas Dekar, Riti Boro, Dipjyoti Nath, Janki Rabha, Jasmine Sargari, Jaideep Sarkar, Joyesh Dev, Jyoti Hall, Jyotismita, Rabha, Kavyasri Thakuria, Khushi, Devmari.
And also a big thank you goes to our aunties and uncle of the school who cared for us. And for them, we are here so comfortable, and we got a very memorable moments. And to my friends, thank you for your laughter, the fun, and the unforgettable memories we have created. And as we move on, this isn't a goodbye, but a bye for now. Thank you all for being a wonderful part of this.
I would like to express my gratitude to my teachers. Thank you for putting all the efforts and spending time helping us in learning all the valuable lessons in our life. And thank you to all my classmates for the memories that I will forever keep in my heart. And in these 12 years, from nursery till class 10, I would like to say that I have learned many things with all my juniors, seniors, and my fellow mates.
অরিজিনাল সেই অরিজিনালিটিটো ইয়াত আছে লর্ড শিভাৰ worship ভগৱান শিৱৰ তুষ্টি সাউথ ইন্ডিয়ান ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আই থিঙ্ক কানাডি তামিল এই তামিল শব্দ বৰ বেছি বুজি নাপালো কিন্তু মই বহুত বাৰ শুনিছোঁ বহুত বাৰ আৰু তামিল ভাৰ্চনত বহুত ভাল ভাল ডান্স পাৰফৰ্মেন্সো আছে মই সেইবোৰো চাওঁ এণ্ড তোমালোকে একচুৱেলি কি কম এনেকুৱা লাগিছিল যে দিছ ষ্টেজ হেজ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মড ইটছেল্ফ ইনটু এ টেম্পল অফ লৰ্ড শিৱা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এটা ঐশ্বৰিক মুহূৰ্ত তোমালোকে সৃষ্টি কৰিব পাৰিছা ইট ৰিয়েলি ব্ৰট টিয়াৰ্ছ মাই আইজ আৰু এটা হলি স্পিৰিট ইয়াত নামি আহিছে তোমালোকৰ এই ডান্সটোৱে এই মিউজিকটোৱে ডেফিনেটলি এটা ব্লেছিংছ ফ্ৰম দ্য হেভেন আজি আনিছে আৰু আমাৰ ক্লাছ 10ৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আশীৰ্বাদ হৈ আহিছে মই ভাবোঁ আই এম ৰিয়েলি ইম্প্ৰেছড কিপ শ্বাইনিং মই তোমালোকক কি দিম মই তোমালোকৰ পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চৰ সন্মুখত মই নিজেই তাৰমানে অতি ক্ষুদ্ৰ হৈ পৰিছোঁ মোৰ দিব লগা একো নাই বহুত আশীৰ্বাদ আছে Pranam to you all. Thank you.